What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Jake. Welcome to the JD Cars Automotive YouTube channel. Please be sure to go check us out at jd-cars.com. Follow us on Instagram at jd.cars, and please be sure to subscribe for more content. So, as many of you know, I recently installed coilovers on my BMW F30 here. I previously had the M Adaptive EDC suspension, and now that I've removed that, the car is freaking out. Why isn't the suspension connected? I can't put it into Sport Plus. It only wants to stay in comfort mode. And I have a couple other things, like I want to delete my fog lights. I want to code them out because I've already deleted them. So the car is also throwing an error code for that. And then I have a few miscellaneous error codes that I want to clear, like my airbag light, because I removed my driver's seat to access underneath it, and that triggered an airbag light. So with the help of MyBimmerBrain, we're going to be coding all of this out right over the computer. MyBimmerBrain's like on the West Coast right now. I'm on the East Coast. He's using TeamViewer and his set of software and whatnot that he accesses through the web to code my car remotely. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, you're going to need a BMW eNet cable, or it doesn't have to be specifically BMW, but OBD2 to eNet. That's going to allow your computer to communicate with your car. And then if you're coding out EDC, like I am, you're going to want to come to the trunk, open up your battery door here, and this is your EDC module, this silver box up here. Now to disconnect it, like I've already done, you're just going to pull this little release tab on the end, pull it that way, and the cable will come right out. So I've just sent MyBimmerBrain my TeamViewer user ID and passcode, and as you can see, he's already going to work on my computer here, accessing those files that I was talking about. And yeah, pretty crazy. So MyBimmerBrain just DM'd me. He told me he's checking for any faults, and then he'll review those with me, and we'll clear any faults that I may have. Ooh, all right, car just turned off and on again, so he's going to work doing something. So while MyBimmerBrain's at work here, just want to run over the benefits of doing this. Obviously, don't have to leave my home. I'm sitting in my home garage. Don't have to sit around at a shop waiting. I could be doing whatever I want right now, but sitting here checking in with you guys for the video. You're not going to get charged out the wazoo. MyBimmerBrain is very reasonable with his pricing. And then additionally, he's using all of his own software remotely. So no matter the specs of your PC, this is just my like very minimal school laptop. It doesn't have a lot of RAM, doesn't have a lot of power, but it doesn't matter because he's using his own machine, which is a total beast. It's like 60. Ooh, just realized I should probably turn off my headlights given my battery's already low. Yeah, no, this is easily way better than going to any shop, paying them a ton of money. MyBimmerBrain is the BMW genius to go to, so we'll see how this works out. I'll check in with you guys once he's done coding. Car's been sitting so long and hasn't been run like 2 weeks, so got a jumper real quick to complete the coding. And here, jump pack was dead, doesn't do much good, so found the jumper cables, got my dad's 550 over here. We're only at 7.2 volts on the F30. Not ideal. All right, round two. Fingers crossed. Whew, that was a pain in the ass. Got her going though. Unfortunately, MyBimmerBrain has to redo the coding. Luckily, he's a pro. I'm sorry about that though, MyBimmerBrain. My bad. So, big lesson learned there, of course, guys. Either make sure to charge your battery very well before initiating any coding, or just start your car up and make sure it's running. That way you don't run into this issue. Oh, this is crazy. He's recalibrating my driver's seat remotely. Oh my god, that's crazy. Alright, so MyBimmerBrain finished up the coding on the car here. That was not good of me. I just set a terrible example for you guys. Do not start any coding project on your BMW or any car with a low battery. You either need to have a very good charger on there or have the car running, because while it is unlikely, that could have just bricked the entire car. Like, that was not good. Not to mention, I just wasted a lot of my MyBimmerBrain's time, so I apologize for that. Make sure to invest in a good charger or have your car running when you're initiating coding on your car. I need to run inside for a birthday dinner for my brother, but I'm gonna come back out here. We're gonna drive the car, run it, and make sure all the codes went away and everything's clear. Make sure my driving mode button is working again and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, just got back from a test drive in the car. Things running beautifully, no codes, no lights, no nothing, all thanks to MyBimmerBrain. So huge shout out to MyBimmerBrain for making this video possible, for helping me out, and for being patient with my stupidity about having a low battery. So if you guys have any BMW coding needs, be sure to go check out the BMW genius himself on Instagram at MyBimmerBrain. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please go like it down below, subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.